Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I just wanted to share something with you. These are Halloween trick-or-treat bags, and now I designed them for my grandchildren because obviously I've got one in the UK and I have my granddaughter who's in Spain. So I just wanted to send them something in a little treat bag. So I designed these little bags, they're little templates, and they look like this, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. You've got 4 in the pack, so they're all just templates that you make up. This one's got a little witch on it, a little spider's web down there, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to just have something that I could send the grandchildren a little treat inside, because obviously I'm not going to get to see them. And I thought you might like them as well, so I popped them into the Etsy shop. I'll pop a link down below, and so you can go and have a look, but I thought I'd show you how to put them together. Very simple and very easy, and I've just popped them together. I've just coloured some seam binding with some black ink on there, and I've just tied them up like that, so you can pop, got a little bit of room in there, so there's some nice little sweeties, or you can give them to friends and family with some little homemade biscuits in or something. This one I've already cut out, so this is how they come. Just come on a sheet like this, and you just cut them out. Very simple to do. So you've got this one here, you've got this one which is Happy Halloween, this one's got the lovely witch on it. Now these ones, I'll show you those in a sec, and this one is the trick or treat. This is one I was going to make for you now, but I've already cut it out, and these come in there in the kit as well. And you can make them as tags, but what I've done, I've actually popped them onto some sticker paper here. So I'm going to cut them out, so they're just little stickers, and I think they're fantastic. I'm going to cut them all out and pop them in the bag, because my grandson absolutely loves stickers, and I think he will probably love these. So these are in there as well, so either you can print them off on card, if you've got a little bags, you can write people's names on them and hang them off, or make them into stickers. You can pop them in if you've got a Halloween journal you're doing, you could do that as well. So what I'm going to do is just quickly show you how it all goes together. So once you've cut them out, very simple to cut out, all you need to do is just fold them so they've all got the lines where you can fold them, so you can't go wrong. So just fold them down the lines like that. You level at the top, put that level at the top. This will just go down there nicely. Very simple, and I think my grandchildren would love these with little treats in, because obviously Halloween's going to be a little bit different this year for everybody, isn't it? Not going to be any knocking on each other's doors, that's for sure. So let's make something. I thought these would be nice, and they're very light, and you can pop lots of little bits and pieces in them, and you can send them by post or leave them on your doorstep just for the little children to come and take. So then that's those bits, and then all you've got to do is just fold these bottom bits up like that. That goes up, so all the lines are there for you to follow. Quick and easy. Pop that up. You can decorate them even more if you wanted to, but this is a lovely one as well. If you've got grandchildren or children, they can make these themselves and give them to their friends. So all I'm going to do now is just stick this onto there. Just stick this one down so that we make the little bag. Take this out, a little bit of glue. This is just tacky glue that I've got in here. So a little bit of glue. You can stick it down with a bit of double-sided tape if you wanted to as well. I'm just going to pop that down there, just like that. Make sure we're level. Perfect. And then we've got our little bag like that. Now for the bottom, all as I did, you fold in these side bits and fold those over on top of each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop a little bit of glue on here, like this, a little bit this side, and here, like that, and just stick that down, just so it holds it, and then we can push it from the inside in a minute. Stick down, some glue on here. Make sure you stick it down properly because you don't want things falling out the bottom. Just like that. Fold that down. I'm going to just turn it up and just pop my hand in there like that and squash that down. So there we go. There we go. That's your bottom of your bag. And what I did for the sides, I've just pushed them in. So if you can see, you can just push them in like that. I'm just going to, not all the way down, just a little way down, and then just pinch it together, just so you've got a little bend in there, just like a little sandwich bag. Pop that down like that and push it together. So there you go. You can have it either trick or treat side, or you can have it the little pumpkin with a little black cat on it. So it's entirely up to you. So all as I did then, I got my hole punch, a little hole punch, and what I've done, I've punched through all 4 pieces there, like that, either side, to hold these pieces in as well. So just take your punch, make a little hole in there, little hole on that side, and then you can pop all your little goodies inside. Now I've got some of the black seam binding here, but you can also use a little bit of string. So I'm going to just show you, because I've done these one with the seam binding on there like that, which looks nice. But I'm going to pop a little bit of string in here just to show you. You can have any bits of pieces that you've got. If I can get it through the holes. That's it. You could even make little handles either side. But I thought I'm going to pop them this way because it will hold them together a little bit better. Just like that. And then you just want to tie a little bow. Just like that. And you've got a little one with a little bit of string on it. A little bit of twine. So that's the difference, and I think they look really, really lovely. I think they are so sweet. So there we go, guys, quick and easy. I thought I'd just share it with you because this is what, obviously, I'm making them for my grandchildren, and I just wanted to share because I thought maybe you would like them as well, to send little gifts off. And they are just 4 little bags, and you get the little bonus page here, which is either stickers or tags you can use them for, or you can pop them into a journal if you're doing a Halloweeny journal. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like them, and I will see you all very soon. All right guys, take care, bye bye.